Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities Morning Podcast. First up, an update regarding the global markets in trade yesterday. So, if you see, the US indices have seen elevated volatility over the past two sessions. On Wednesday, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 closed in the green, while the Dow ended slightly lower. The choppy trade reflects investor caution as upbeat earnings are weighed against concerns over US China trade tension and stretched valuations. The S&P 500 has once again surged above its 20-day EMA level. Since last three trading sessions, it has been oscillating near its 20-day EMA level. Going ahead, the EMA zone of 6,620, 6,660 will act as an important support for the index, while on the upside, 6,770 will act as the crucial hurdle. And now coming to the update regarding our markets. So recently, the benchmark index Nifty has found strong support in the zone of 25,030, which coincides with the 20-day EMA and the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of its recent upward swing. This technical support acted as a strong springboard for a sharp recovery witnessed in trade yesterday. The index surged higher during the session and closed about 25,300, registering a gain of 0.73%. On the daily chart, if we see, the Nifty formed a sizable bullish candle with a minor upper shadow indicating sustained buying interest throughout the day. Technically, the index is now approaching a crucial juncture as it nears a breakout above the downward sloping trend line, which has been formed by connecting the swing highs from June 2025. A successful breakout above the trend line could open the doors for further upside momentum. Moreover, if we see, Nifty is currently trading above its key moving averages of which are all of which are trending upwards, a sign of strengthening bullish undertone. The 14 period RSI on the daily time frame has climbed above 60 and continues to rise, reinforcing the positive momentum. Overall, the setup suggests that the index is gearing up for a potential breakout, and a sustained move above the trendline resistance could lead to a fresh leg of the rally in the near term. Going ahead, the zone of 25,360, 25,400 will act as an important hurdle for the index as the downward sloping trend line is placed in this region. Any sustainable move about 25,400 would lead to a move towards 25,550 followed by 25,700. While on the downside, if we see, the support zone is placed in the zone of 25,200, 25,170 levels. If we see the derivative data from the option chain perspective, 25,400 strike has significant call open interest followed by 25,500, and on the put side we have 25,300 which has substantial open interest followed by 25,200. Coming to the update regarding Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has been showing relative strength compared to frontline indices over the past few trading sessions. On Wednesday, the index decisively broke out of the 3-day consolidation range, signaling renewed bullish momentum. Going ahead, the index is likely to continue its northward journey and test the levels of 57,300 followed by 57,800 in the short term, while on the downside 56,400 will act as the crucial support zone. Now coming to the update regarding Sensex. So the benchmark index Sensex also witnessed an upside rally on Wednesday and ended above 82,600 with a gain of 0.7. On the daily scale, it has formed a bullish candle with shadows on either side. Going ahead, 82,100 will act as the immediate support for the index. On the upside, the zone of 83,000 will act as a crucial hurdle as the downward sloping trend line is placed in that particular zone. अगर सेक्टर्स के बारे में बात करें, जो सेक्टर्स हमें करंटली पॉजिटिव लग रहे हैं, टेक्निकली निफ्टी प्राइवेट बैंक, फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, पीएसयू बैंक्स, कैपिटल मार्केट, मेटल, सीपीएसई, पीएससी, हेल्थ केयर, ये सारे सेक्टर्स में मोमेंटम है एंड वी फील दैट गोइंग अहेड एज वेल दीज आर द सेक्टर्स दैट आर लाइकली टू आउट परफॉर्म. On the other hand, Nifty FMCG, Nifty media stocks are likely to underperform in the short term. That's a wrap of today's edition of the podcast. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.